Okay, so let's import that the data, Seattle 2014 data. Okay, so this like you see, I need to have import. Let's say this ISMP import pandas. That's PD. Okay. Okay, and then I can do data is equal to PD dot with CSV, right? Okay, with CSV, and then this this file right here. So you can do data dot head, right? Let's look at the head. Right? So your web, right? This is the data. So we can quickly take a look at its shape, right? Data dot shape. Okay? So which is 365 by 17. So there are rainfall data and the weather data for each of the days, right? 365 days, 2014. Right? There's each of the days go Seattle rainfall. Yeah, rainfall, not just rainfall, there are other attributes as well, right? Okay, so now once we have this, note what we want to do is we want to subset or just when you look at it and say, so if I do this data, let's just look at the column names, say, the columns are used, so I want PRCP, right? Let's say PRCP, right? So let's just get that, right? The data, and then PRCP, right? So which is a precipitation, which is the rainfall, right? This is rainfall. Okay? So look at this, right? So this comes in the form something called series, right? Series. We haven't studied this yet, but okay, we'll do that soon, right? So I'm looking at it. You can do rainfall, right? Rainfall is equal to you can do data. Let's see, we can do PRCP. PRCP and the dot values. We'll just take the values. It's my case already. There is this index, so and you have the values. All, but we just need the values. We're not concerned about the index right now, right? So if you take that, then this is what it looks like. Hey, so this is 365 days ago as an array. There are 365 elements in this data, right? Rainfall. Okay. So if I do rainfall dot shape, you'll see that it's 365. Oh, it's a precision order. It's a one-dimensional array, not by array. Okay. All right. After that, okay. So this is some kind of millimeter or something, right? So we want to change it into inches. Okay. So to change this into inches, we'll need to divide by 250 for each of these, right? Element. So we need to divide by 254, I think. Okay, let me double check. Let's see, yeah, 254. If we divide this by 254, so we're going to get the these all this data in inches, right? So be inches now. So let's do that. Right? Inches is equal to, right? So what do I do? What do I need to do? Understand? So because we did it last time.
Rainfall divided by.
Very good. Yeah. Rainfall divided by 254, right? Thank you. Yes. You think about this is a U function, right? This is a U function operation. Right? Okay. So if I do see how simple it is, right? About the inches my area when it's all in inches. Okay. Everything is in inches. Right? Okay, so excellent. So far, so good. Right? Okay, so after that, what we did was so this was it. But this was we drew a histogram. Right? I can draw it here. So I'll just show it from here. Right? My histogram plot you get this. So as you can see here, the tallest bar, Katisa, 250, it's very, very tall. So it's a zero point, right? Very extremely close to zero or very close to zero. Right? That means for about 250 days, there was either no rainfall or very, very little rain. Right? Okay, your histogram with your buttons. Right there. Okay. All right, so now let's see. Okay, so I think we did it last time as well. So can we find, okay, so I want to find number of days that had rainfall between 0.5 and 1.0 inches, okay, including, okay. So what should I do? Yeah,
Rainfall,
rainfall, okay.
sky bracket भित्र चाहिँ grouping ma rainfall greater than 0.5.
Rainfall, rainfall greater than or including
0.5,
equal to
greater than
0.5.
0.5, and
inches हुन्छ होला सायद.
Oh, sorry, yes, yeah, that's right.
inches.
Yeah, thank you. Inches, yes, that's right. Okay, inches. Excellent. Okay, inches. Okay, and this we see we need to have ampersand,
And
then again inches
less than equals to 1.0.
less than equal to 1.0. Very good, very good. अब यो गरे भने के आउँछ भन्नुस् त, यसबाट के आउँछ, यसबाट के आउँछ, यसले त त्यो नम्बर अफ डेज दिन्छ, दिँदैन होला,
रेन त्यो मास के अरे बुलियन मास
ले मास पनि दिँदैन, यो पुरै एक्सप्रेसन मैले रन गर्यो भने यसले मास दिन्छ, दिँदैन होला,
त्यसले त्यसपछि काउन्ट सम गर्नु पर्यो, डट सम.
भनेपछि मैले के गर्नु पर्यो, यस्तो गर्नु पर्यो, इन्च यो नगरिकन यो अब यो गर्यो भने लेट मी जस्ट शो यु है त. सो सरी I made my mistake, right? So I need to do overall through, है, मैले एक्सिडेन्टली मैले कन्ट्रोल Z गरेछु, मैले अर्कोमा चाहिँ यो let me quickly my have to get back to where we are, where import pandas quickly with that. So data is equal to vd dot with cc, and then okay. So and this will see I need to do okay, rainfall is equal to data. This is RCP dot values okay, I need rainfall by rainfall of inches is equal to rainfall divided by 254. Okay, any of your inches by inches. Okay. Now we can proceed, right? So okay, then I could be so okay, it was like this, right? So I want again, I'll write the problem statement. Number of days with rainfall between 0.5 and 1.0. Right? Okay, so this one really what you did was this, right? Inches, this is the inches. Let me put it in parentheses, right? Inches, what is that? Greater than or equal to 0.5, and this is the and ampersand, right? And then again we have inches less than or equal to 1.0. Okay, so यो गर्यो भने के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यो भित्रको चाहिँ मासको हो र यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ यो इन्चेस भनेपछि त्यो एक्चुअल त्यो एक्चुअल भ्यालुजहरु नै दिन्छ के है, as you'll see here, see it gives you actual values, right? So यसको काउन्ट निकाल्नलाई के गर्नु पर्यो,
लेन फंक्सन गर्नु पर्यो,
Either you can do it that way. Yes, yes, we can do that. Land yes, we can do that. Right? Yes, that's right. 32, sir. Or we can do this. NP dot sum. Okay, NP dot sum rather. So essay like हामीले के गर्नु मिल्छ भने so rather सबै हटाइदिउँ यो भइहाल्यो अनि okay अनि np dot sum है छ मैले गरेको ठिक छ so bracket
closing
close,
square bracket.
yeah that's right and I forgot to delete this one. So I hope it works. Still there is a problem. Let's see. So yeah, your score there close bio. This could there close bio. Your extra is here, right? Now still okay, bio. Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah. So we got the same result, right? So last time we saw this, right? Because यसले चाहिँ हामीले बुलियन मार्क्स दिन्छ यो अनि सम गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ खाली यो ट्रुहरूको मात्रै हैन एड गर्छ किनभने त्यो ट्रुलाई सम गर्दाखेरि ट्रुलाई चाहिँ इन्टमा है कोर्स हुन्छ है इन्टमा कास्ट हुन्छ इन्टमा कास्ट हुँदाखेरि फल्सहरू 0 हुन्छ ट्रुहरू 1 हुन्छ हैन ओके सबैले बुझिराख्नु भएको छ है यो okay everybody's is okay with this right okay all right so यहाँसम्म के क्वेशन्स छ मार्को
सर त्यो 254 ले डिभाइड गरेको चाहिँ मैले बुझिन सर
ए ओके ओके 254 यस्तो हो यो भनेको चाहिँ कस्तो भन्दाखेरि तपाईको यो एक्चुअल डेटा छ नि जस्तै यो म फेरि देखाउँछु है रेनफल यो चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि यो चाहिँ मिलिमिटरमा छ कि मिलिमिटर अनि यो मिलिमिटरलाई we need to convert to inches है यसलाई इन्चेसमा लैजाँदाखेरि हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि इन्चेस इज इक्वल टु यो मिलिमिटर रेनफल डेटा छ नि रेनफल है अनि यसलाई 254 गर्यो भने के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यो हरेक पोइन्ट हरेक डेटा चाहिँ केमा जान्छ इन्चेसमा जान्छ है बुझ्नुभयो खाली यसलाई चाहिँ यो इन्चेस यो यसको यो युनिट कन्भर्जन मात्रै हो यो चाहिँ किन भन्दाखेरि तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ यो जुन यु फंक्सन यु फंक्सको एउटा एप्लिकेसन देखाइएको हो के अल्दो यु डोन्ट ह्याभ टु डु इट तर कस्तो भन्दाखेरि सो यो प्र्याक्टिकल एप्लिकेसन कसरी गर्न सकिन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तपाईको डेटा अब जस्तै यो यही डेटा मिलिमिटरमा छ मैले यसलाई इन्चेसमा लैजानु पर्यो कति सजिलो भयो हेर्नुस् त अल यु निड टु डु इज डिभाइड बाइ 254 हरेक डेटा पोइन्ट चाहिँ के भयो हरेक डेटा पोइन्ट इज डिभाइडेड बाइ 254 एन्ड देन यसलाई चाहिँ के हुन्छ इट इज कन्भर्टेड टु इन्चेस है कुरा बुझ्नुभयो Any other questions? Okay then. Our next thing, let's do some of the analysis. Okay, so okay, this must say equal to China. 29 equal to 30. I know I'm just inclusive version. This must be exclusive. Okay, so. Let's do some of these. Hey, so number of days without rain, right? Number of days without rain. Okay. So can you try? Okay. Number of days without rain. Let's try it.
np.sum.
Okay. Np.sum. Okay. That's
inches equals to 0.
Is equal to 2. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. So 215 days. Okay. Okay. 0 rain. Hey, rain is fine. Okay. Very good. Very good. Right. So 215 days. There was no rain at all. Right. What is simple? The expression. What is simple? Right. So this is, this is what we need to appreciate about Python. Right? Okay, so likewise, number of days with rain. Very simple, right? Number of days with rain. Rain, So when the 365 body what I also think so it's a very simple. It's a highly key change on the
Not equals to.
not equals to very good. Okay, that's it. See 150 Ds. You're 365 on you. Right? 215 plus 150 is 365, which adds up. Right? Okay, likewise, okay, and then you can do all these kinds of analysis, right? Which is very, very simple, and very intuitive. Okay. All right. So use a police mask. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay. So let's do a few of these. Eh? So use a Boolean mask. Right. So let's do a rainy days. Rainy. Right? Rainy days are good. Rainy is equal to inchich. Inchich. Not equal to 0. Right? You have not equal to 0. Right? If I do this, it'll give me a Boolean mask. When it's rainy, say Boolean mask. Okay, so if I do rainy, so I'm going to get a Boolean mask like this. Understand? Jaki to go true ma jaja rain cha, त्यसमा true cha, त्यो pointsहरुमा जहाँ यो हैन 0 छ अथवा rain छैन त्यहाँ चाहिँ false हुन्छ. भनेपछि यो Boolean mask. So rainy is a Boolean mask. Right? Rainy is a Boolean mask. Right? Mask which masks out, right? The rainy data, rainy थियो त्यो मात्र पिक गर्छ यसले, falseहरूलाई it will ignore, right? Falseहरूलाई उसले लिँदैन, right? Okay. So if you do like for example, rainfall as the inches, right? Inches and rainy गर्यो भने के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि जुन रेनीहरु थियो त्यो मात्र पिक गर्छ यसले हैन, like this. यसो कुनै पनि zero छैन. These are all non-zeros. These are all non-zeros. Okay. All right. So let's see. What else can we do? Well, let's do something here. These are the mask of all the rainy days. Right? So summer. Summer go. But I'll just copy and paste. So you can listen. I'll leave it up to you to figure out how this works, right? So it's the same. So it's my case from there. It's not you. We're trying to create a mask, right? Mask just like say summer ko 90 days. The summer ko 172 172nd day. And plus 90, right? And we say almost like comments days. June 21st is the 172nd day. And we're just creating a mask, right? Or a mask. So just make it 172nd day, they keep plus 90 some as a true answer or false answer, right? So you say you can figure right? So let's not expend our time on this, because so far what we have done so far, based on what we have done so far, you'll be able to figure it out. Right? So and this was and so you'll figure you'll be able to figure it out. Right? So so it's not custom like summer. Say summer. So if I do this, I have like it's your 90 days, summer because 90 days, so there are three true answers, right? Or something false ones, right? So summer means which is officially June 21st, June, July, August, September, right? 90 days, right? Almost June 21st, 90 days, right? So June, July, August, September, so September maybe 19, 18, 19, right? So mask. So now we can just subset that, हैन किनभने त्यसले अब हाम्रो यो वेदर डेटामा हामीले यो यसले समरलाई मात्र राख्दियो भने उसले समरको मात्रै डेटा लिन्छ नि त है डज इट मेक सेन्स यो कुरा बुझिरहनु भएको छ है सो सिम्पली यो एक्सप्रेसन चाहिँ तपाईहरुले हैन इट्स इन द नोट्स है यु क्यान फिगर इट आउट है ओके सो यसमा just creating a mask right okay so अनि अब now let's use it right let's use it okay so if I go back here okay use summer okay अब हाम्रो inches raining I've already shown you this right okay so okay I want to get the median right okay let's do this hey median of all the rainy days right? Rainy days are median rainfall कति भएको थियो right not the whole thing गर्यो भने तपाईको 0 आउने सम्भावना हुन्छ किन भन्दाखेरि तपाईको त्यो धेरै जसो हाम्रो डेटा 0 छ हैन त्यसको मिडियन लिँदाखेरि मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली इट विल बी 0 है तपाईको मिडियन 0 आउँछ तर रेनी डेजमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यसमा नन 0 छैन नि हैन एक 0 छैन नि इट्स अल नन 0 हैन सो रेनी डेज जुन छ नि rainy छ it's all non-zero है हेर्नुस् त so rainy चाहिँ if I do inches rainy है inches अनि rainy गर्यो भने के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि it's all non-zero है so it's all non-zero let's see कुनै पनि 0 छ त्यहाँ छैन it's all non-zero भनेपछि तपाईको non-zero नै median आउँछ है so so in that case okay I want to get median of all the rainy days and rainy days को median rainfall कति छ त भनेपछि के गर्ने होला
np.median
np.median yes np.median
inches rainy square bracket
very good yes that's right right very good you got it right so you get the median so which is 0.1948 whatever right so tamara median have I talked about median को कुरा गरिसके कि छैन what is the median भने के हो जस्तै यसको mean निकाल्नु है त mean निकाल्यो भने 0.6 फरक छ तपाईको mean र median फरक छ है mean चाहिँ 0.32 छ हैन median चाहिँ 0.19 छ है so यो दुवै mean median mode हैन these are nearly central tendency दिन्छ हैन central tendency of the data है okay so भनेपछि median what is a median यो median भनेको
mid value of the data
हजुर के भन्नु please say that again please
mid value of the data
आवाज चाहिँ क्या मैले ठ्याक्कै बुझिन middle
value of data
okay which value of data
mid value
mid
mid value okay yeah that makes sense yeah thank you right okay yeah so let's quickly discuss this either what is a median right? What is a median okay let me see wait a second right? Just give me a second let me do this second. All right so all right so median भने के भन्दा जस्तै median भनेको जस्तै I have a few data data is equal to say I have 2 right 6 minus 9 3 2 1 0 यस्तो खालको डेटा छ है so यसको अब यस्तो छ भने के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि now look at this right so I have minus let's not put that bigger number saano number so that I can draw this easily right so let's 5 minus 5 right? So look at this thing. Let's go. Let's draw a number line. Number line ma मेरो के छ 0 यहाँ छ. I have -5, so -1, -2, -3, -4, right? -5 and so on. Hey, यतातिर maximum कति छ 6 छ मेरो हैन. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and so on, right? So this is my number line. Hey, so let's plot this data. Your data like plot गरौँ है त. So if I have this, so I have about 10 minutes, so please come back after 10 minutes. Right? You'll disconnect by one. Okay, so I have -5, you would answer. Okay, I have okay, let's do 2. 2 is here. Okay, and I have another one which is 6. Okay, and this, let's see, I have -5, I got that. And 3 cha, and 2 cha, I got that already. Okay, double. So okay, okay, and 1, and 0. Okay, so अब यसमा चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि अब यहाँ चाहिँ, so here's the thing. तपाईको यहाँनिर यो जहिले पनि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि मिडियनले चाहिँ तपाईको मिडियन मिन जुन मिडियन मोड छ नि, हाम्रो 3 वटा छ हैन. We have what we have mean, there is usually mean नै हो है, median मोड हुन्छ है. So okay, so यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि mean, these give you the about midpoint of the data, right? It's supposed to give you, right? तर यहाँनिर प्रब्लम के भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब धेरै जसो डेटाहरु हाम्रो यहाँनिर झुमेर बसेको छ. तर के भयो, यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा डेटा चाहिँ यति टाढा छ, अर्को डेटा यति अर्को टाढा छ है. अब यो त धेरै नै टाढा छ भनौँ न है, यो भन्दा है. अब यसको so यिनीहरुलाई चाहिँ outliers भन्छ के. So these are outliers, right? Okay, outliers. Okay, so अनि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि meanले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि meanले outlier sensitive to outliers हुन्छ mean है. त्यसले गर्दा तपाईको के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि तपाईको जस्तै यसको mean हेर्नुस् है. Look at this mean. Okay, what's the mean? यसैमा what's the mean of this? तपाईको mean निकाल्नुस् त्यसको. Mean mu is equal to कति हुन्छ है. So you need to add up all of these, right? So 2 plus 6 minus 5 plus 3, right? Plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, right? Plus 1 plus 0, sorry. So okay, how many I got? 1, 2, 6 minus 5, 3, 2, 1, and it's 0. Huh? Okay. Did I get it right? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2.
1.5 also, sir.
1.5 also. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So okay, I'll take your word for it. Hey,
Sir, I know, sir. 1.5 on the कमै हुन्छ. 10 divided by 7 also decimal also.
Okay, so okay, so I'll take your word for it. Hey, okay, so तपाईको 1.5 1.5 आयो भनेपछि कति भयो भन्दाखेरि हेर्नुस् है. So 1.5 means हाम्रो यहाँनिर आयो है, center. Okay, so this is should I do it? Okay, let's just quickly do it. Okay, so के भयो 2, sorry, 2 अनि के भयो plus 6 minus 5 is 1 हैन. Plus let's add them up. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 6 divided by 7 is equal to 9 divided by 7.
1.29.
Okay, is equal to
1.28.
1.28. 1.2. 1.28. And we see, so it's pretty much. So it's 1.28. When we see maybe around here. Okay, around here, yeah, right? Okay, so very good. Okay, so 1.28, right? But it's equal more निकाल्यो भने के हुन्छ? Sorry, median, right? But it's median कसरी निकाल्ने? Okay, so we have any idea? Median कसरी निकाल्ने?
N plus 1/2.
N plus
Yeah, okay. पहिलो चाहिँ
पहिलो डाटा सोर्स
odd number of data, so n plus 1/2 element
Yeah.
So when you
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Yeah. So let's do it then. Hey, so let me take a snip. Right? Let me take this snip, and then so that I can clear it out. Okay. And then so yeah, I can clear it out, right? And I can refer to this. Okay. So I'm first I'm the median निकाल्नु के गर्नु? Median निकाल्नलाई first we need to arrange के अरे ascending or descending, हैन? Okay. First मा के आउँछ? Ascending मै गरौँ. -5 आउँछ, है? First मा -5. Second के छ?
0.
0 1 2 2 0 1 2 2. Okay. 0 1
3.
2 2. And this is it. 3
3 to
6.
6.
3 to 6. Okay. 3 and 6. Yeah, ascending order. Okay. This is what? Ascending. Okay. Ascending. So anyway, so do you have 7? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right. Our median median is the midpoint. Right. Midpoint. 7 7 7 odd numbers. Odd numbers when it's easy. Right. So के गर्नुहुन्छ? Right. 7 के गर्नु पर्यो? N plus 1 divided by 2. Huh? Is that right? Okay. So okay, this is whenever see 7 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Huh? 4. Right. So let's see. 1 2 3 4. Right? You 1 2 3 4. Okay. So this is the median. Okay, is that right? So 2 is the median, right? Okay. So so whenever see फरक पर्यो चाहिँ फरक छ नि है 1.28 mean चाहिँ 1.28 छ हैन तर median चाहिँ कति 2 छ है median चाहिँ 2 छ ओके सो अब यो अनुसार यो यसमा के भयो भन्दाखेरि तपाईको median ले के median चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दा it's less sensitive to outliers हैन medians are less sensitive to outliers whereas mean चाहिँ sensitive to outliers. Outlier ले pull गरिदिन्छ के तपाईको जस्तै तपाईको जस्तै यहाँनेर एउटा अर्को डेटा छ जस्तै यहाँनेर सो हामीले किन जस्तै mean भए पुग्थ्यो नि हामीले median मोडहरु किन चाहियो भन्दाखेरि कहिलेकाहीँ हाम्रो डेटा इज skewed है skewed छ धेरै outliers outliers हरु छ भने के हुन्छ mean लाई चाहिँ जस्तो के भन्छ जस्तै तपाईको यहाँ अर्को एउटा डेटा छ है so I have one data which is say -25 छ यो भयो भने त के हुन्छ तपाईको mean यता पुल हुन्छ कि हुँदैन किनभने you are adding this up है and then you are dividing by just one एउटा extra plus 1 यता तल denominator मा थपिन्छ त्यसले गर्दा तपाईको के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि तपाईको your चाहिँ यता के sorry so all right so यतातिर है यतातिर so यता पुल हुन्छ नि त किनभने यसले पुल गर्दिन्छ के तपाईँ right mean लाई पुल गर्छ तर median चाहिँ पुल हुन्छ हुँदैन किन no matter what this is हैन तपाईले central खोज्नुहुन्छ गर्दाखेरि तपाई के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यसले चाहिँ त्यति असर पार्न सक्दैन median लाई यो आउटलायर किनभने यो त आउटलायर हो नि त है जस्तै डेटा कलेक्सनमा प्रब्लम आउन सक्छ अथवा त्यो चाहिँ एउटा एकदमै युनिक रेयर केस हो हैन तर तपाईको डेटा त धेरै यहाँ झुमिरहेछ नि त हैन भनेपछि यसले चाहिँ यस्तो केसहरुमा मिनले चाहिँ तपाईको ट्रु मेजर अफ सेन्ट्रालिटी त्यो दिँदैन के जब तपाईको के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि when there are outliers anomalous data छ outlier dataहरु छ हैन सो त्यो छ भने मिनलाई सट्टै पुल गरिदिन्छ के त्यसले है अनि त्यसले चाहिँ तपाईलाई erroneous मतलब त्यो ट्रु सेन्ट्रालिटी दिँदैन त है त्यसले गर्दाखेरि we need to use median है बुझ्नुभयो मोड भनेको चाहिँ थाहा छ नि तपाईहरुलाई हैन मोड भनेको चाहिँ सबभन्दा बढी अकरिङ कुन चाहिँ छ जस्तै यसको मोड कति हुन्छ
फ्रिक्वेन्सी जस्तो बढी
फ्रिक्वेन्सी द्याट्स राइट है
2
सबभन्दा बढी जस्तै यसमा कति 2 भनेको हैन यसको मोड चाहिँ 2 भयो है ओके so that is the difference है अब तपाईहरुले mean median mode थाहा भयो है okay so we have less than 1 minute so I'm going to disconnect and then let's come back